Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Eclipse Attitude. This is the 20 FBG, small trailer with lots of cargo space. Come on inside, let me show you. This toy hauler weighs 5,920 pounds as equipped. So as we walk in, we have 20 feet of storage from wall to wall. Cabinet here. Spot for a TV, AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3 player all in one right there. Sitting area here, very comfortable rocker recliner chairs. Very comfortable. Freestanding, can move wherever you want. Got the table here, another chair. The power bed for above here. This one's going to come with the portable Furman generator with remote start that can be either stay portable or mount on the tongue up front on the A-frame. I'll show you that when we get there. This one's going to have the rear patio kit. Couch over here that would fold out and make into a single bed if want to. Above, lighting switch on dimmer. Plug-ins underneath the cabinets. More lights here in the kitchen. Nice big basin sink with the pull-out faucet, spray nozzle. Cabinetry down below. Your bank of drawers. Little pull-out pantry here. 3-burner cooktop oven. Range cover and microwave. 2-door fridge and freezer, as you can see there. Overhead storage here. This unit's got air conditioning. The bathroom here with the tub shower, porcelain toilet, overhead fan. Lightweight, small and short. Then with this design, what we have behind is the privacy of the bedroom. And if we want to slide the curtains over to give us room here, the curtains will slide over. Tuck around. Storage underneath the bed. Underneath the curtains here for privacy. Or we can move those out of the way. Plug in next to the head of the bed there. Little spot for your cell phone or whatnot. Escape window there. Nice big bedding though. And then to gain our ultimate storage space, this is going to fold up. Strap up out of the way with the hinge here. So we have 20 feet from bulkhead to rear there of storage. Big enough for a lot of little sport quads can fit in here. And then when we're take our machine out and want to make it into the bedroom, we just take it down. Real easy to convert right back into bedroom. And then we have the bedroom. Tie downs all the way forward. So very unique, looking for that small toy hauler, lightweight toy hauler, but yet big enough that we can sleep multiples and have plenty of room. This is going to be aluminum framed, block foam walls, power awning, LED light strip, blacked out wheels and tires to go with the other colors of the trailer, Zerk fittings on the shackles, gusset supports on the frame. This is going to have the gray graphics. Rear patio door with built-in lock. Brackets to keep the doors nice and tight from top to bottom. Real nice. The big patio out back. And if we want to use the patio kit, then we just install our cables. Real simple. Run our cable through this way. Whoops. And away we go on both sides. We got the 8-foot patio at the back end. Then we want to make it into ramp mode. Just unplug it there. Patio ramp back up. There we go. Now it's all back into travel mode. Reflectorized graphics on the back. Taillights are reflective. All 4-corner stabilizer jacks. 12-volt fuel pump and station. Got the pump here, on-off switch with the gauge. Tank fill here on the driver's side. Docking station up front. Come on up front and I'll show you the A-frame where the generator can go. So here's where the generator can go mounted on the front. We've got the brackets, frame welded onto the frame to mount the generator if we want to mount it on the trailer, as well as a spot for 2 batteries. 2 large propane tanks here, and the battery disconnect up front. The new end cap up front is nice. Really looks a lot nicer than the rolled over pylon that you see on a lot of other lightweight sport utility trailers. That's kind of a quick video on this one. We carry a lot of Eclipse product, whether it be the Iconic or the Attitudes in stock. So if you have any questions, make sure you see me or call me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. I've been here 15 years. We've carried this product for about 10 years. So please call me if you have any questions, or if you stop by, look me up. And don't forget to ask for your free gift when you come in and see me or call me. Thank you. Have a great day.